Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Start of a new year, and as you can see from the title, this is a fun video. It's one of my most favorite videos to film. I enjoy LUSH. It's one of my favorite brands. I'm a big let's take a soak in the tub and relax and unwind. I like to pamper myself. So a brand that rarely ever does sales has these Boxing Day events that is just, it's out of this world. So I'm going to be showing you guys all of the items I ordered this year. And we do need to talk about the whole online shopping process because this year LUSH decided to do something a little bit different and I have some opinions on it. So let me first show you guys the box and then we could talk about what happened and how I felt about the whole shopping experience situation this year compared to previous years. So here is the jumbo size box. Now, I wasn't planning on opening this until I filmed the video, but when it arrived and I seen this giant gaping hole, there was packing peanuts all out in the front yard, I was a little bit worried. So I did open this box. There was some individual items that I ordered that was not wrapped. They weren't gift sets like this one. So I was really concerned of which items I may have lost. Let's talk about what happened with the LUSH Boxing Day sale and my thoughts and opinions on it. In previous years, it was online and in store. So the way that the online website would work is there would be a set time that the sale would start, and normally you had to get into a queue to access it, and you could pick out what you want, quickly go to your cart, try to order it. There was some glitches and issues with that. I know one year things kept selling out and it would boot you out of the whole process of purchasing your items because you had to go and clear out your cart and re-add things. Also, one year the sale was supposed to start at a certain time and it actually started over an hour ahead of schedule. So a lot of items was already sold out when a lot of people were logging in thinking it was time to start the sale, and the sale was already halfway over, it felt like. This year they decided to do it in store, but if you wanted to shop the online part, you had to do it in the LUSH app. I have looked everywhere in my spam junk folder, in my actual emails, my second email. I never seen an email stating it was going to be a app only sale event or in-store in-person event. So I first logged onto the website like I typically do. Noticed there was no sale promotion at all. So I was so confused. And then I realized it's in the app. And the app at first was fine, but then it started crashing, then it started lagging, and then it was about impossible to even open the app without it having an issue and it stating to check back later. So I think a lot of people were upset about that. I haven't fully dived into the Reddit threads about it, but I can imagine if you were unaware like I and you never downloaded the LUSH app, the stress and anxiety of trying to download an app as quickly as possible, along with who knows how many other people doing the same thing and trying to sign up and log in and then try to get your items, get stuck in a queue or get stuck with that weird like timer that's trying to load but nothing loads. It was very, very chaotic to say the least. So if you did experience a hard time with the app, you're not alone. I had a hard time with the app. Luckily, I was able to obviously make an order, but I went on the app at like 6:30 in the morning, and that's when I was able to make my order, and there was already quite a few things sold out as well. So I am going to aim for this coming up year. Hopefully I can shop the LUSH sale Boxing Day 2025, and I plan to shop actually in person. I hope LUSH in the future figures something out, a happy medium, maybe both online and in the app, but app users get an extra perk if that's what they're wanting to do. It just seemed a little bit hard to understand why they refuse to do it at all on their website when in previous years they've done it on their website. So I don't know, maybe LUSH had some reasoning for it. I've never seen where and why, but yeah. I'm going to start with the individual items. Like I said, I opened my box the moment it arrived because there was the hole in it and some packing peanuts out in my front yard. So I wanted to get the individual items out, look them over, make sure they were all present and all okay. So we're going to go over those first. As I go over them, I'm going to talk about the whole shipping process because I think it's quite interesting. Now starting off, I got 2 bars of the Great Alaska soap bars. I love these. I probably should have ordered more. I didn't realize they were going to be this small. I thought they would have been a little bit bigger, but this is one of my most favorite Christmas soaps that they bring out. It smells so good. I bought one for myself and one for my husband. And then I bought the Sweet Pudding soap. This one smells really, really good. Really, really sweet. My mom in store said that this was her most favorite soap bar. I've also admit mine's very dusty. It's got a lot of bath bomb dust on it, but that's okay. It's a soap bar. It's gonna get wet anyways. And then there is the Sleepy Bear. This was one I was really excited about. There was a gift set that was like a Sleepy Bear gift set. Sadly, it sold out on the app and it was sold out at my local store. Considered driving to go get it, but the one in North Carolina had some of these available, so my mom grabbed up one, and that gift set includes this as well as a couple other items, which I'm excited for. I wanted to talk about the package itself. Mine was stuck in customs for 9 days in Canada, which is why it's taken me so long to get these items and film it, but all of my items was packaged and shipped same day. So the day that I ordered them, they were packaged and shipped, which is incredible. Also got the cute penguin bath bomb, very adorable. He is so cute. He's one of my favorites. They bring him out each year and I love him. And I got 2 of these, I think they're called like Mrs. Claus. I'll have to look and see real quick. This is really hard with one hand. Mother Christmas. I bought 2 of these. Didn't plan to buy 2. I thought I had 1 in the cart, but that was one of the weird glitches with the app. I didn't know how many items I had in my cart at certain times because it was loading so strangely, but I have 2. There is a little white snowman. I do love that they have some new bath bomb styles. The snowman and the bear both kind of have the same color on the back. But there is this star bath bomb. It has a lot of the glitter that falls off of it, which is one of the things I actually don't like in some of the bath bombs, is the ones with the glitter that gets everywhere. But this one's going to be a fun one because it has purple, pink, and blue and yellow. So I have a feeling when you put it in the water, it's going to do like a swirling effect. Very cool. Last individual one is this little guy right here. So cute. I'm actually going to give one to my niece. It is a Christmas capybara. So the moment my daughter seen this, she thought it was a cat, but I think it's very cute. He has a little Santa hat on. Very, very adorable. So yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 individual bath bombs. These were all priced around $3 each. I think the most expensive one was $4, but I love the discount you get. So if you ever are shopping at the after Christmas sale, for example, this little guy right here, I think is about $4. And then the soap bars last a good amount of time, and these were all $3.75 each, which is half off their typical price. So now with the gift sets, I'm going to show you guys each of the gift sets. I might unbox 1 or 2 here, but I plan to unbox them actually over on my TikTok and my Instagram. So if you are interested in wanting to see what's inside of them, definitely go into the description box below and find me over on TikTok and my IG page. So that's where you'll see more of these items. This was my big gift set. I was worried I wasn't going to get a big gift set this year because they were selling out so quickly. But this one right here is the Art of Christmas Bathing. It is really big, as you can tell from the size of it up against me. And it has 16, 17, 18, 19 items inside. One of those 19 items is actually a sticker sheet. So 18 bath products and 1 sticker sheet. This is not like the Advent calendar. They do have a 12 days of Christmas Advent calendar and then the 24 days of Christmas Advent calendar. This year they also had a refill. If you have purchased the Advent calendar in years past and you just wanted to refill it and reuse the original box, you could do so. I really wanted to do that, but it sold out. But I'm happy with this one. I love the packaging. There's so much details on the box that once I use the bath bombs up in this, I plan to keep this box and use it as a Christmas gift box because it's just the most fun and exciting thing. And it would be the perfect size to fit like you know, clothing items to gift someone, or you can use it as a display. You can set it up at Christmas on your mantle and have it as a little like picture decoration. I have 2 of the Snow Time gift sets. These gift sets I really liked because of the products inside of them. There is 4 items inside, and it has some that you've actually already seen, like the little snowman, the Frosty the Snowman bath bomb, as well as the penguin, which are some of my most favorite bath bombs. So I did grab up 2 of these. They were half off. One of my other favorite gift sets I grabbed up, I should have grabbed up a second one. This is the Penguin's Christmas Party set, and it actually has a little coloring book. It only has 3 pages inside of it, but it has 4 bath bombs, and it also has the Snow Fairy bath bomb, which I did not purchase individually. It has a Sleepy Bear bath bomb, which is one of my favorites, and a penguin as well. So I'm gonna have a lot of penguins. I have a feeling there's gonna be a ton of penguins. This gift set is very cute. I love the design. It looks like a little Christmas book, and honestly, it's perfect for a kid. If you are shopping for a child that loves to take baths, loves LUSH products, this has the perfect amount of stuff, and it also has that little coloring page in it, so that's a really cool add-on that they did this year for this set. This is one of my favorite ones to grab up and gift as a gift for someone next year, because these products do not go bad really quickly. If you look at the back and the bottom of the package, it will tell you the made date and the use by date, and it does last over a year. So I plan to actually give this as a gift for someone, but this is the Secret Santa. It typically comes with 2 products, and it's always a Santa bath bomb. So this one has the Frosty the Snowman and the Santa bath bomb inside of it. This was a new style of gift set that I was really excited about. This is the 3 bear gift set. I do know for a fact this was half off for $10. It was normally $20, but you get 3 bath bombs, a pink, a purple, and a white bear, and a sticker sheet inside for $10. It's such a good deal. This is another gift set that I actually would give a kid or a teenager, because these are some really great products, and then the sticker sheet is great to use on notebooks, or you can even put them as like your laptop stickers. It's just a really fun way to be able to give a gift for someone. And last but not least is this gift set. This is the Sugar Plum Fairy gift set. I think it is just such a cute box. You have some little fairies on the side, and inside of it you get 3 products. You get the Christmas pudding soap, and then you get 2 other products. One is a bubble bar and one is a bath bomb. But this was one that I was really excited to grab up, because it sounded like it was gonna smell really, really sweet, and I do have to admit, this smells like candy. It is such a cute set. All of the items I grabbed up, I tried to keep a budget this go round. So in the years past, I have spent a lot of money on LUSH, but this year the grand total for all of the products I just showed you was $180 US. Now, all of these items were 50% off. The gift sets are a really good deal because you get multiple products inside of it, so you can take them apart and be able to use them and give them as gifts if you wanted to. And you get to try a variety of products, because a lot of the gift sets have both bath bombs and bubble bars. Some will have lotions and soap bars or shower gels. So it's a good way to get a variety of stuff and at a really great discount. So like I said before, if you're interested to see what the items look like inside of these gift sets, I will actually have TikToks and videos doing so. And I might make another video for YouTube where I'm putting all of these items into my storage box, because I do have a special, it's one of the Christmas advent calendar boxes, but that's where I store all of these products. And I plan to have all of these to be able to use throughout the year this year. Last year, every single LUSH product I purchased during the Boxing Day sale lasted me all year. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.